250-foot pedestrian bridge that will connect America the Beautiful Park with downtown Colorado Springs was hoisted into the air, driven across the railroad using self-propelled modular transporters and placed onto its abutments earlier this week. This masterfully orchestrated event was completed in an 8-hour window during which all trains transiting through Colorado Springs were held in place to complete the move. On-site work will continue through the winter before the bridge opens to the public in early 2021, weather and construction dependent. Designed by the same team as the adjacent US Olympic and Paralympic Museum complex, Diller Scofidio Renfro, Anderson Mason Dale, ARUP, and KL&A, the new pedestrian bridge takes its inspiration from the gravity-defying motion of athletes, with a 250-foot curved steel structure that floats above the railyard. 2 interlocked loops, stretching from either side of the railyard, connect the museum and the park. Visitors will pass through an oculus that frames views of the museum and the park's Penrose Fountain. The bridge, from idea to execution, represents how Colorado Springs is coming together to further create a city that matches its scenery. Born of public and private visioning and cooperation, it will link east and west, people and parks, downtown and surrounds. The bridge will establish a pedestrian gateway from the west into downtown and connect to the US Olympic and Paralympic Museum. The bridge also stitches together a growing network of pedestrian bicycle paths, including the Pikes Peak Greenway and Midland Trail running alongside Monument Creek. Design elements include an elevator, staircase, ADA and bike-friendly accommodations with bicycle wells and an overlook at the west end of the bridge. In June, construction company Kiewit began work to complete on-the-ground assembly and prepare the bridge for placement on its abutments. Close coordination with the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway facilitated suspending railroad operations in the region for an 8-hour window to transport the entire length of the 250-foot bridge, which was hoisted on 22-foot high risers, driven across the railroad and placed onto its abutments. Prior to arriving in Colorado Springs this summer, the bridge was manufactured in Houston by King Fabrication. The bridge underwent wind tunnel testing to meet suspension bridge requirements. Final bridge finishes and construction of the elevator and staircase will take place this winter before opening to the public in early 2021.